What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you put the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people making fake accounts, acting like me, scamming people still. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business, and make sure you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, first video of the day, we back at it. We back at it with the gems. We back at it with the sauce. And today, the first video of the day, because you know we've been talking about business credit. But I know I talk about it, but I don't really explain to you guys how to set it up the right way, right? So today we're going to be talking about how to set up your business, your LLC, the right way so you can start getting major funding, $50,000 no doc loans and lines of credits and credit cards and all that. I'm gonna show you and tell you how to set up your business the right way so you can start getting funded. All right, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you sit down in your seat and let's get to it. All right, so the first thing you need to do, because I wrote down all these little key points so I won't miss nothing. The first thing you need to do is get your business, your LLC. You get your business. You know what I'm saying? You come up with a business, your name for your business. You get your LLC, you get your EIN number, right? So the first thing after that, you need to get your virtual address. Now, a lot of people, this is important. A lot of people, they start their LLCs and they put their home address down. Do not put your home address down for your business, all right? You do not want to link your personal entity with your business entity. And what I mean by entity, you don't want to link yourself with your business. You want to separate the two, right? This is a whole new entity. So what you're going to do is you're going to get you a virtual address. And a virtual address is an address that you can buy and pay monthly payments so that instead of using your address, you can use this place that has an address, and they receive your mail, and it's different plans for you to either for them to open up your mail, send you the copies of what's in your mail, shredded, all type of different payment options for what you want to do with the mail. All right, so get you a virtual address. Do not use your home address for your new LLC. All right. The second thing you want to do is get an operating agreement. All right. So once you get the operating agreement, that means you're gonna be in agreement to operate your business, get things going. Then you want to open up a business bank account. All right. So you want to open up a business bank account. You need your EIN number. You need an EIN number. So once you get an EIN number, you're now eligible to open up a business checking and savings account. All right, you don't want to miss your business funds with your personal funds. All right, so then you want to do is you want to get a document money to put into your business bank account on your capital contribution agreement or LLC loan agreement. All right. Once you do that, you want to make sure you do that, right? So that's going to help you, allow you to get these loans and get all type of things like that I'll be talking about. All right, so make sure y'all get that. All right, so then you want to get you a domain name, like a www.isellhair, or www.iselldogs, or www.kinghustle.com. You need a website. This is what I've been telling y'all, that y'all need a website, because having this website will allow a lot of lenders, a lot of people to be able to see what your business represents, what you all have going on, and what you're offering to your consumers and to your customers. And it'll help you get you a lot of donations and grants and things like that. And it's more professional because every company has a website. So get you a website. You can outsource websites. You can have people create you websites on Fiverr.com for as little as $100. All right, so make sure y'all tap into Fiverr and get y'all websites done for y'all businesses. All right, so then you want to get a point of sale system, a POS system, a Square, Stripe, Clover, or PayPal. All right, so nowadays a lot of people are using POS systems. A lot of people have cards. A lot of people use Cash App cards. A lot of people use debit cards. A lot of people use credit cards. A lot of people are starting to shy away from the currency, the hard cash. So make sure you get your POS system, point of sale system. So whenever you people need to make payments and they, you know what I'm saying, they don't have cash but they got card, they can pay with their card right then and there. It's a lot of POS systems that you can hook up to the bottom of your phone, swipe like that. A lot of different methods, all right? So get a next you want to get a copyright agreement to your own logo, right? You want to trademark your logo in your name. So the easiest way to do it is when you get your logo and you go to trademark it, put your name under your logo so you could be trademarking your name and your logo at the same time instead of doing them separately. All right, it's a little trick right there. So make sure y'all trademark y'all brand and y'all logo and y'all name, same picture. Do it all in one. Easy like that. All right, so next you want to do is you want to well, you should have did this before, but you want to get a good logo. All right, make sure you get you a good logo for your company. All right, you don't want to try to create it yourself. Be professional. You want to outsource everything so it can be as professional as possible. So if you need to get a logo, you need to get a banner, you need to get anything of such, you can go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr, you can resource a lot of different things, from contracts agreements to business agreements to credit to all different type of things that you can get done. Business websites, everything on Fiverr that they can do for you can outsource on Fiverr. So make sure you get that, all right? So boom. Then, like I said, when you get your domain name, that's the www. Then you want to get your website. You can go on Fiverr and create you a good website. Get you a good domain name that's attractive. Good website that's attractive. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you put everything on your website that you'll be offering. You want to have a mission statement on your website. You want to have the products that you offer on your website. You want to have contact information on your website. You want to have all that, right? And then even if you need to put some things on it and say coming soon, just to add some more content, to add some more some value to your to your website, that'd be cool too, right? So then you want to get you some business social media pages, right? So you want to get you an Instagram, you want to get you a YouTube, you want to get you a Twitter, you want to get you a it all depends on what you're promoting, right? So me, I have the production company, so I need a YouTube, I need a Twitter, I need a Instagram, I need a Patreon, I need a OnlyFans, I need all different type of social media platforms where I can promote my videos so more people can be attracted, more people can see what's going on, more people can learn about credit, more people can learn how to build it. The more people see it, the more I put it in people's face, the more they be attracted to it, right? So you need to get you some social media business accounts so you can start promoting whatever you have to sell, whatever you got going on, right? So then get your license and your insurance, all right? You want to get your license and insurance for your company just in case anything was to happen. You'll be licensed and insured for those things, right? So then you want to get your permits. You want to get your permits for whatever you're doing so you won't be getting in trouble. So if you're out selling food trucks, get your permit. You want to be out selling anything, get your permit, because you need a seller's permit to do anything, all right? So let's go down the line. So let's make it real simple, all right? So once you start your LLC, you get your LLC, your EIN number. The first thing This is the first thing you want to really do. You want to get a virtual address before you start your LLC. Because if you get your virtual address before you start your LLC, once you start your LLC, you already have your virtual address for your business that you could put down on your LLC at the beginning, right? So get your virtual address first, then you get your LLC, get your EIN number, right? Get your business number, all that. Right? Boom, business email on it, right? So then now you basically got everything established already once you got all that. So boom, once you got your business email, so like I sell dogs at kinghussle.com. That could be my business email, right? Get you a business number. You can get a little cell phone. You can either go through like T-Mobile, USL, or anything. Get your prepaid account. It don't matter. Register the number with the 401 National Directory, so it could be like in the search and all that. Get you a website. Once you get your website, get you a POS system. Get your Dun & Bradstreet number. Get your UEI number. Get you a NAV account so you can start tracking your business tracking score. Business credit score. And you'll know what's going on, just like your personal credit score. And you can start getting funding. Start getting Net30's accounts, crowdfunding. That's where you can get free donations for your business. I'm gonna talk about that in a second in one of these videos. So yeah, just make sure y'all taking them steps to start getting major funding, have a structured business the right way, so you won't have to worry about anything when you want to start getting funding, right? And I told you guys how to start getting funding. Start adding them net 30s accounts, as many, just two, as many as possible, and then you'll be good. You add about $3,000 to $5,000 in net 30s accounts in a month, and you pay them back. You should be at a 80 payday score in no time. So make sure y'all taking them steps down to really structure your LLC the right way, because if you do that and you start doing like getting your Dun and Bradstreet and getting them net 30s accounts, you'll be to a 80 payday score in no time. And then you'll start being able to get the $100,000 business loans, them $250,000 business loans, them $500,000 business loans, hey, even $1 million business loan. All right, so today we're gonna be focused on more of the business credit side, because a lot of people need funds. A lot of people are starting LLCs. A lot of people are starting their own businesses. A lot of people are in the game to pay their self. So that's what we're gonna focus more on today. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all follow me, man. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, new fans, old fans, new supporters, old supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. And that's what I'm going to continue to do, all right? So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get y'all credit lessons, y'all want to learn how to clean y'all credit and build y'all credit, it's going to be $600. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on your credit lessons. New Age Credit Repair. Follow it on IG, too. Also, anybody looking to get their first time one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,200, all right? Unlimited gems is unlimited gems. Like, use your common sense. Like, okay, unlimited gems is all the gems that y'all want to know. So whatever you want to know, I'm going to teach you, from CPNs to how to clean your credit, how to build your credit, how to get loans, credit cards, any method out the method book, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, how to make passive income, all that. Unlimited gems, all right? $1,200 FaceTime one-on-ones. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships, all right? I'm taking people under my wing, and I'm putting y'all in a position to make money with me, all right? So mentorships is $2,500. That's a step under the, that's, you're going to get everything with the unlimited gems, plus I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make YouTube automation channels together. That means you ain't got to show your face, nothing. All we're going to do is outsource the videos, post them, and make money, all right? So if the channel making 10,000, you're going to get 5, I get 5. The channel making 20,000, you gonna get 10, I get 10. All right, we're gonna split the money down the middle. As long as you putting in the same effort and work that I'm doing, we're gonna be on the same page and we're gonna get some money. All right. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat right now in the crypto tour, in person, unlimited gems. May 26th through the 29th. I'm invading Miami, Florida, South Beach. Tap in. 10 seats available. $3,500. All right, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we in person. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with me. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Y'all want to learn how to make all this.